Assalamu alaikum. Today's vlog is about the nature. Listen to the silence here. Listen how the birds are singing and how the kids are singing too. If you can...
Mama, typical meow.
Come at the mail. If you consume loud speaking, conflicts, debates, and scrolling the social media, then you should know that you are on a wrong track. Try to find some area like this. Just saw that shelter there, and I want to go inside and look what it is inside the shelter there behind me. So let's park our bikes and then we will go and look at the shelter, how they have built it. And when we are tired, the kids are hungry, then we also have some food. I will show you what I have. Okay, Habiba? Yeah? Uh-oh. That's the portaqueja. وګوره دا څونه غټه دغه ده. هو دلته ودرو راس ما دغه سره هو ته دا وګوره. هيا هيا هو هيا هيا هو. That's very tall tree that has been, I think, has got damaged somewhere. Huh? Stop it, come on.
No.
Stop. That's a kritisu.
Yeah, film.
So let me show you the chair, the bike chair for Habiba. Okay, Habiba? Habiba has got this kind of chair. Okay, she sits here and has her feet here. This one can be adjusted up and down, and the chair is actually solidly fastened here. This is the lock. Okay, here we go. Ikrima's bike is too here. And now let's explore. Let's explore in this jungle. Ikrima, are you afraid to be here alone at the night? Okay, Viva. Yeah. Let's see if we can find some ghost or something. Oh. Oh! Oh, huh? That is he? Is he? Ulta danuna bavarsu. Da chachi shi jor khadi di. Someone has built this shelter. Let's see what is inside. In the middle of the forest. Wow. Oh. That's Habiba. Fish didn't know. Sakalas.
No.
What is inside, Ikrima? Look at how they have built it. Oh, you went inside, Ikrima. You see anything? There is a lot of space. Can you sleep here?
No.
I don't think you can sleep here. I think some young guys, they have built this one just for fun, because if somebody was sleeping here, the rest area or the ground will be more flattened and better suitable.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Come, Chiri.
Yeah.
Chiri.
Yeah.
Alta Darzi. Bismillah. Huh? Oh, the Chiru. That's all. Darzi. Oh, look at that. That's a biba. Special in the modern cities, you have to find some place away from all the hustle and bustle of the city life, and try to enjoy this moment, especially for the kids, so they are not always surrounded with noises. Look at that, so beautiful, mashallah. Sishwa Ikrima? Kama da alta ho. Our bikes are there. As usual, of course, there are many kinds of animal, small and larger, in this kind of areas, in this kind of nature. Oh. Chiste? Chiste? Write in comment which kind of healthy aspects you know about this kind of places. Do you go, and where do you go if you want to go to this kind of area in your city? Look at the sun, I love it, mashallah, wow. And listen to the wind. Where has she gone? She is not even afraid to be here, all alone. This area is 5 minutes on bike from where I live. So usually I do come here, especially in weekends with my family. And sometimes when we come here in the midday time, we also have our lunch here and having a bike tour around in this area for some hours. Huh? So when the kids got hungry, we also eat here. It's very quiet and beautiful area. Even when it's snowing, we do come here. Hi. Hey. When I was a kid, I was told that human's best friend is a good book. But today, in this country, they say human's best friend is a dog. Yeah. Hi. Hvad hedder den? Toffee. Toffee. Hej lille Toffee. Du er? Hej lille Toffee. Nå, den spiser ikke græs. Den spiser ikke græs. Nå. Nej, det vidste jeg ikke. At den kunne spise planter. Hvad er det for en slags?
Det er gravhund.
Gravhund, okay.
Bare anderledes i farverne.
Okay, ja, det er det. Nå, så fik du også set nogle dyr her i skoven. Og lykkedes det, men det vil ikke blive bjørn denne gang. Næste gang. Nej, det vil den nok ikke have. Hej, Taffy. Se, ja, bare giv den. Hej. Den hørte noget. Hvad var det for noget? Ja, hej. Og vi har noget vandmelon, hvis I vil have. Okay. Ryk dig, Klima. Hej. Alla på en rykke? Hvad skal jeg sige, Klima? Wow, Larry. Hvad skal jeg? Hvad skal jeg? Hvad er det last privlu? So we found this nice bench here, and then we also got some visitors, and I see some more people. Let's try to wash her hands. Yeah, Bismillah. Bismillah. Hawabal. Bismillah. Waqti. Oh, yeah. Oops. Wow. Seriously? Where is it? Welcome, Dakre. Like in India they do. Arey yaar. Where? That's some unhealthy issues. Unhealthy stuff here. This is Nutella. Nutella, right? Nam. They nam. Ooh. Trainer. Nam di. They nam.
Yeah.
Nam. What's good?
What is it? Rika.
What's good? Nam di. Sana di nam baby. Bismillah pabalas. Wait, Master, swell. Master, swell. Mommy. So, lovely weather. We have our bikes there, the back side. Huh? Or what do you? Tawala waki. Tawala. Ne kwale nor. Baba emiki. Oh, da parvano li ripresa. Me sembra di vedere. Fabulous. So this was one of the best events and tours with the kids in my life. It was a beautiful day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments and suggestions and your likes and your subscription. Well, have a nice day. I think we finished all the food. Or Nafre? Okay, she is also full. So I think we will try to go home again. And once again, thank you so much, and follow the vlog and see how the journey ends. Halal,
Bye bye.